Dear students, in previous lecture we have seen the self-inductance of the coil. So here the coil we can call it as the inductor also, that is denoted by L here generally. Yeah, what is the symbol of L here? The self-inductance of the coil or the inductor. Here we have seen that whether current is growing or decaying. Decaying means decreasing, the EMF it will be induced. So and also experimentally it was found that the magnetic flux linked with the coil is directly proportional to I. So this expression we have seen in previous lecture, phi is equal to L into I. But this expression when it will be used if the coil contains the singleton, so N is equal to 1. If more than one turn means if the number of turns in the coil it will be, let it be N, then the total flux linked with the coil is equal to N into phi. N is the total number of turns and phi is the flux linked with the singleton. So this is the total flux is equal to, you can write L into I. And also the flux linked with the singleton, if you want, Li by N. So here N is number of turns in the coil. So now we'll see factors of self-inductance of the coil. So this is an important question. Factors of self-inductance of the coil. So here self-inductance of the coil, self-induction of the inductance, self-inductance of the coil depends on geometry of the coil, here geometry in the sense number of turns in the coil, next the length of the coil or solenoid, you can take, and the area of cross section of the solenoid. So here what is the first factor? There is the geometry of the coil. Geometry in the sense either number of the turns of the coil or solenoid, or we can take the length of the the length of the coil and the area of cross section of the coil or solenoid. And the second factor, you can write the medium inside the coil. So here in which medium the coil it will be takes place. So depend based on that medium also the L value is going to change. So here the medium inside the coil means it is nothing but permeability. If it is a vacuum, we can take mu naught. If it is other than the vacuum, we can take a mu value. And third factor, the nature of material of the core of the solenoid or coil. So these are the three important factors of L. What is the first one? Geometry of the coil or the medium inside the coil and nature of the material of the coil. So means which material it is made up of. So these are the three factors we can see. And here one more point we can see, important point under note. Here first point we had to discuss an inductor. Generally inductors have large inductance and low resistance. Here inductor, capacitor and resistor, these are all elements of the circuit. So here inductor A major difference between the resistor and inductor is resistor, it is a circuit element which opposes the current, that already we know. Inductor also opposes the current, but major difference is here this is opposes the current, inductor is oppose the change of the current. That is a major difference. Here a resistor opposes the current, but an inductor opposes the change of current. Here one more point we shall discuss. This is very important point. When the current in the coil either increases or decreases at a rate, then the coil can be imagined to be a cell of EMF E is equal to L di by dt. So this is the important point while solving the numericals. When the current through the coil either maybe increases or decreases at certain rate, that is a di by dt, then that coil can be imagined to be a cell of EMF. So the coil, it can be imagined as a cell, means cell contains the EMF, induced EMF. So how to decide which is a higher potential and which is a lower potential, that we'll see now. The direction of induced EMF for different states of current in the coil. See here, we had to consider whether the current is increases or decreases. The coil, it is considered as a cell. So the cell EMF direction, how to decide, now we'll see. Here this is inductor or coil, this is the direction of the current. If this current is increasing, means the current is growing at certain rate. So here current is growing means what about the magnetic flux linked with the coil? Magnetic flux also going to increase. Then EMF, it will be induced. That EMF induced in such a way that it opposes the change. Opposes the change. What is the change here? Increase of current. Opposes the increase of current. So here this is the electric current. So EMF is induced means we can say that induced current also produced. So induced current also, it will oppose the increase of flux or increase of the current. So this is the direction of growing the current. To oppose the growing of current means the induced current direction is in this direction. Here two currents should be there in the coil. One is electric current through the cell. So this current, it is increasing due to the variation of the current. Induced EMF will be produced, and also induced current. That induced current is opposes this growth of the current. So this is an important point. In this case, we are talking about increasing current. So induced current or induced EMF opposes the growth of the current. So here induced EMF it will be produced. So this one is considered as a cell. That the point is here I have written. So this one, this coil, it is equivalent to, here this is the direction of induced current. So in which direction induced current takes place, that one is always lower potential. This is the direction of induced current. So this is the lower potential and this is the higher potential. Let the points A, point B. So here also B. So suppose in this one, find out the potential difference between A and B means VAB. So VAB is positive potential or negative, it will come. VAB means VA minus VB. So here VA is a higher potential and VB is a lower potential. So answer we will get positive. So this is the equivalent circuit for this one. So when the current is increasing, so this is the direction of induced EMF. This is a lower potential, this is a higher potential. So similarly, if the current is decreasing, here I is a decrease, so flux is going to decrease. So induced EMF it will be produced and also induced current also will be there. But what is the direction of induced current in this one? Induced current produced in this coil in such a way that to oppose the decrease of current. To oppose the decrease of current means what is the direction of induced current? The induced current must be in this direction. Previous case, it opposes the growth of the current. Here also it opposes the growth of the current. But what is the direction? This is in the direction of this electric current. Means this induced current is supports this electric current. So and also we'll see this equivalent circuit. So what is the direction of induced current? This direction. So this direction means this is a negative potential, means lower potential. This is a higher potential. Let this point is A and this point is B. So here A, here B. So this is the direction of induced current, negative terminal, positive terminal. So in this way we can decide the direction of induced EMF, means which is a higher potential, which is a lower potential. This is very important topic in calculation, the numericals, even in the case of competitive exams. So here the direction of induced current opposes the growth of the current. So here similarly we can write the same point. Induced current supports the decay of current. Decay of current means decrease of current. So here in which direction induced current it will be takes place? In the direction, the first terminal it is always a negative terminal, remaining it will be positive terminal. In this way we can decide the induced EMF direction. So here we talk about this is the growth of the current, this is the decrease of current. If the current magnitude is a constant, that is nothing but a steady current, then is there any chance of production of induced EMF? No, because when induced EMF is produced, definitely there is change in the magnetic flux. If the current is constant, the flux linked with the coil also it will be constant. So the flux constant means there is no chance of production of induced EMF. In that case EMF it will be 0 and induced current also it will be 0.